Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bragman here from IQOptionWiki.com. Today with another video tutorial about IQ option, how we can do digital options and what are they different from the binary options, the famous binary options everybody knows. Actually, the only thing that is different from the digital options is that binary options, you have a strike price, and digital options we can take a different strike price for more risk but also more profit. So let's go to our website here, IQoptionWiki.com. We have an article about it. If you want to go more in depth into it, you can read the article. We provide also loads and loads more strategies and more value on our website, trading tools. Have a look into that. And if you haven't had signed up for IQ Option yet, go to our website, take the right sign up form in the sidebar here, and you can make a free demo account with our licensed sign up form. So that about said, let's go to the IQ Option platform and discuss this digital options. So now in the IQ Option platform, we all know if we take a new asset, take binary option, and then you see here in the green the maximum percentage you can gain from binary option, and in this case it is 85%. You open the asset. Binary options is as easy as it is. You start with a time. In this case, for example, 5 minutes. You set a strike price, higher or lower. In this case, higher. And so we predict that it will be higher. And what we have here in the green is our strike price. And determined on that, if it's going to be higher or lower, we kind of make a winning trade or a losing trade with a fixed outcome. Maximum winning percentage of 85%, maximum losing percent of 100%. And we have the expiration time, that's here with the red flag, the red line here. So, and if we want to open a digital option, what is going to be different from the digital option? So you go to digital options, and then you see here current strike price. You see the strike price of the current profitability will be lower than the binary options. For example, for the same assets, and this time of the day is going to be 77% at the euro US dollar. So now we're in the digital options asset, and you have to open time. And then you need to go to settings, and then you can set nearest strike price or current strike price, and you want to choose nearest strike price. And this allows you to gain more percentage from a more risky trade, for example. This can go as crazy as 900% gain, but it can also result in a 900% lose. So it's more risk, more reward, but you can also lose a lot more. That's why I try to always avoid these digital options, because I don't want to risk my capital that much. That said, it's funny to play around with. You can gain a lot more, a lot quicker if you do it right. So that said, let's dive into it and make a trade.
After you set that up, you can click on the strike price here, and then you're gonna get a bigger window that will give you many more strike prices. And what we can do now is we can take another strike price with another profitability percentage. So for example, if we want to bet that it's going down, and you want to say you are going to predict that the asset will go all the way down here at this point here, this strike price, that will give you more risk, so to speak, but it also gives you a higher return, because if I click it, it gives you a 163% on profit if you make that correct prediction. So let's say the asset is moving down, and you predict the asset will move down all the way to here. That means you make a bigger percentage profit. Now you see the price is moving down. That means also our profit percentage is moving down. And if I click the other strike prices, you can see the profit changes. Higher risk, higher rewards. That's the point here. So some people like to gamble it out, and that's how you do it. So now, for example, I can set here lower. My strike price is a lot lower than the current strike price. For example, with binary options, my strike price would have been here, but now my strike price is lower, and I predicted that the option will be lower at the end of the expiry time. Now you see, in this case, make it a result of $1 loss. Could try it again, but this seems to be a resistance point, a reverse point. So I'm going to change my time a little bit, and I'm going to make it higher. Now you see here the currency is moving higher, and I'm able to gain 100% profit this time, 102% profit. We are in a $1.02 profit. That is a 102% profit. So that's one example I wanted to make, that it is possible to gain higher results with the digital option. It's a nice asset, it's a nice tool you can add to your arsenal. Maybe you want to play around with it a little bit. I recommend you to try and practice first with a demo account before you start doing real money. And that was it for this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. I give a lot of more strategies in my channel, so maybe you want to have a look at my previous videos. Thank you for watching. This is Bart. Happy trading.
What we do here is go back.